Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Due to this lockdown, we missed a lot of classes. That is why I'm making this video to teach you some lessons of mathematics. Here we start class 8, chapter 2, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. What is by exponents? Exponents are a mathematical notation which are used to express how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Exponents are a mathematical notation that is used to express how many times a number is multiplied by itself. A number is multiplied by itself. How many times it is multiplied by itself? That is called exponents. That is here 2 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we can write it as 2 raised to 5. Exponents are a mathematical notation. This one is the mathematical notation which is used to express how many times a number is multiplied by itself. How many times a number is multiplied by itself, that is called exponents. 2 is multiplied 5 times here, that is why we can write it as 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5. And this, which number we are multiplying by itself, that is called the base of the exponential form. It is called base of the exponential form. That means here 2 is called the base, and how many times we have multiplied that number, that is called the exponent. That is 5 is called the exponent, or we can say index, or we can say power. Exponent or index or power. So remember the definition. Exponents are a mathematical notation which are used to express how many times a number is multiplied by itself. In general, we can say, suppose a number a is multiplied n times, then we can write it as a raised to n. This one is called the exponential form, and the number being multiplied is called the base. That is here a is the base, and how many times we are multiplying that number, that is called the exponent, and it is read as a raised to power a raised to the power n, a raised to the power n. In short form, we used to say a raised to n, a raised to n. Actually it is a raised to the power n, but in short form we used to say a raised to n. How many times a number is multiplying by itself, that much only, that is called exponents or powers. And this which number we are multiplying by itself, that number is called the base of that exponential form. And how many times that number we have multiplied, that is called the exponent or power or index. So most of the time we used to say exponent or power. Index we will not use that much. Most of the time we used to say exponents and powers. And now we have these integers as a base and power. First we can say integers as a base, that is any integer as a base. Suppose we are multiplying minus 4 into 3 times, then we can write as minus 4 raised to 3. Minus 4 we have multiplied 3 times, then we can write as minus 4 raised to 3. And rational number as a base, rational numbers, that is example 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 is a rational number, and this 2 by 3 we have multiplied 4 times. So in exponential notation we can write as 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. 2 by 3 we have multiplied here 4 times. So that is 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. Here which one is the base? 2 by 3 we have multiplied 4 times. So 2 by 3 is the base here, and we have multiplied it 4 times. So 4 is the exponent or power. So now positive integer as an exponent. Positive integer as an exponent. That is, already I wrote here positive integer as an exponent. At the same time negative integer as an exponent also there. Here it is 2 is multiplied 5 times. So we wrote in the exponential form as 2 raised to the power 5 or 2 raised to 5. So here 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. So this one, here you see exponent, it is a positive integer. Positive integer as a power. Positive integer as a power. At the same time negative integer as a power also there. So let's see some examples. Positive integer as a power, sorry, negative integer as a power. An example, 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to the power 5 means 2 is multiplying 5 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equal to, just I am going to write this way, that is 2 raised to 6 divided by 2. 2 raised to 6 divided by 2. If you are dividing this one, we will get answer 2 raised to 5 only. 2 raised to 6 divided by 2. 2 raised to 6 means 2 is multiplying 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times divided by 2. 2 we can cancel. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, that is equal to 2 raised to 5. So answer is same only. Just I wrote like that to study about the negative integers as a power. So it will come. Next 2 raised to 4. So if you are writing as it is, then it will come 2 raised to 5 divided by 2. 2 raised to 3, it will come. 2 is multiplying 3 times. Then it will come 2 raised to 4 divided by 2. 2 raised to 2 is equal to, it will come 2 raised to 3 divided by 2. 2 raised to 1, it will come 2 raised to 2 divided by 2. 2 raised to 0 is equal to, can you say what will come answer? 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 5 it came, 2 raised to 6 divided by 2, that is 5 plus 1, 6. Then we have to divide 1, 2 there. 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 divided by 2. 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 divided by 2. 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 divided by 2. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 divided by 2. 2 raised to 0. What will come answer? 2 raised to 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 raised to 1 means it will come 2 only. 2 is multiplying 1 times means that is 2 only. 2 divided by 2, it will come answer 1. 2 divided by 2. Dividing the same numbers, so it will come answer 1. So in general we can write as any number raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0, then the answer will be 1. Then the answer will be 1. Any number 2 raised to 0. The same way, if you are writing this pattern in the same way, all it will come like this only. 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 2 raised to 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 raised to 1, it is 2 only, divided by 2 is equal to 1. And next one, 2 raised to minus 1. Now I am writing all the integers from here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next one it will come minus 1. That is equal to, can you say the answer? 2 raised to minus 1. 2 raised to minus 1, it will come 2 raised to 0 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 raised to 0 is equal to, we can write as 1. 2 raised to 0, answer is 1 divided by 2. So 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now 2 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to minus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 raised to minus 1, already we got the answer, that is 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2 divided by 2, that is equal to, it will come 1 by 2 into, dividing 2 rational numbers here, so it will come numerator into reciprocal of the denominator, that is 1 by 2 into a reciprocal of 2, that is equal to 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 into 2, that is, you can write 2 raised to 2. So here you see 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, we can write as 1 by 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 2. So in general we can write it as a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. So if the exponent is a negative integer, then the answer is it's a reciprocal with the positive integer. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n, and a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So remember these two formulas. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n, and a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So let's revise once more what are things we have studied. Exponents and powers. Exponents are the mathematical notation that we are using that we use to express how much a number is multiplied by itself, how many times a number is multiplied by itself, that is called exponents and powers. Here first we have multiplied 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, that we can write as 2 raised to 5. This one is the exponential form, and the number being multiplied is called the base, and how many times we have multiplied, that is called the exponent. So 2 is the base here, and 5 is called the exponent or index or power. 5 is the exponent or index or power. So if a number is multiplied, that is a is multiplied n times, that it will come a raised to n. A is multiplied by itself, so a is called the base, and n is the exponents because we have multiplied it n times. And it is read as a raised to the power n. In short form we used to read it as a raised to n. A raised to n. And now these exponents and powers, and rational numbers also there, that is rational numbers as a base and integers as a base. Not only that, again integers as positive integers as the exponent, and negative integers are also as a power. Here positive integers as an exponent, positive integers as an exponent, that is 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 1, all we have seen here. And 2 raised to 0 is equal to, it will come 2 raised to 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So in general we can write as a raised to 0 is equal to 1. And negative integers as exponents, negative integers as exponents, it will come 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 2. So in general we can write as a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. And if the base is a rational number and the exponent is a negative integer, just an example, 2 by 3 raised to minus 2. Here base is a rational number and the exponent is a negative integer. Exponent is a negative integer. So its answer will come. We know that we have studied the formula. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. So 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 is also in the form a raised to minus n. In place of a it is here 2 by 3, and minus n it is here minus 2. So it will come answer 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to positive 2. 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to 2, that is equal to, we can write. Now dividing two rational numbers, so it will come numerator into a reciprocal of the denominator, that is 1 into a reciprocal of 2 by 3 raised to 2, it will come 3 by 2 raised to 2. So the answer is 3 by 2 raised to 2. 3 by 2 raised to 2. 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 is equal to 3 by 2 raised to 2. So in general we can write, if the base is a rational number and the exponent is an integer, then in general it will come p by q raised to minus n is equal to q divided by p raised to n, positive n. So remember this, all the things. First thing is that which number is multiplied, that number is called the base, and how many times we are multiplying that number, that is called the exponent, and it is written as 2 raised to 5, or in general a raised to n, read it as a raised to n. A raised to 0 is equal to, always the answer is 1, a raised to 0 is equal to 1, a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n, p by q raised to minus n is equal to q by p raised to n. So these things you have to remember. Now just revise it, read your textbook, and write down the definition and the formulas in your notebook. Next video I will do the exercise 2.1. So please write down the notes from your textbook. Thank you so much. That's same one.